sandy shore where the sun shines bright. Two little kittens, oh what a sight. With their shades on they lounge and play, building sandcastles, it's a perfect day. Splashing in the waves, dancing in the sun, kittens having fun, oh what a run. From ice cream cones to frisbee throws, together they explore wherever the ocean goes. Jet ski racing, feel the ocean breeze, laughing and purring, they do as they please. Under beach umbrellas, sipping from coconuts, chasing after seagulls, oh they're such a little nuts. Splashing in the waves, dancing in the sun, kittens